Destiny. If you're new and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Disclaimer, please ignore all types of noise you hear in the back. I literally just got irritated to the point where I was not going to record, but I need to get this video up and out the way. So just ignore all that. And disclaimer, I am missing 2 nails as well, but that's fine. So today I do have a fashion overhaul for you. I'm thinking, am I going to do a try on haul? But I don't know. However, I do have another fashion overhaul. I wanted to combine them, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to just split it into 2 because it is 2 separate orders. And everything in this haul is new. I have not worn. They're just not in the package, so because I took it out. So I'm just basically going to read the names off my phone. So we just going to hop right into this so it won't be a super long video. I'm thinking I'm just going to go from the top. There's no way. All right, matter of fact, let me just get the accessories out the way because I did get like 3 things that's not closed. So the first thing I got are these gorgeous glasses, and the name of these is still on here. I don't know. These are Don't Block Me sunglasses in the color pink. I just thought they were so cute. Yeah, I saw these glasses on the site. You know how it's certain things that you just can't scroll past because like you're just gonna keep thinking about it. This was that. I had to get these. I just think they're so cute. And when I received the glasses, I did have to adjust one of these because it was looking mad awkward and mad weird. I couldn't work with it, so I had to fix it. Okay, so the next thing I got are these sunglasses, and they still have the name. These are called the Whisker sunglasses. I'm trying to think. Did I order some more sunglasses? I don't know. But these pretty, listen, these are so cute. These are super cute. They have these in other colors and other like styles. This like whisker type eye, but I'm talking about whisker type eye. Cat eye, I guess you could say. Anyway, they have other colors, but I just like this orange. And if you hear thunder, it's definitely a thunderstorm happening right now. So, but yeah, these is just what these look like. Super cute. The thing is these shoes, these sandals, and they are called Jumping to Conclusion flat sandals. You guys already know these are like the Valentinos, but they're not Valentinos. At the end of the day, they cute as shit. So yeah, I just thought these were super cute. I had to get them. So these cute. Okay, so the next thing I got, because it's on top, are these shorts, and they're called Nowhere to Run Distress shorts. These shorts just look like this. I got these because I love wearing shorts over my bathing suits, and sometimes I don't zip them up, so this is perfect for that, this style. I just think it's super cute, and plus I plan on, I needed to get some shorts anyway. I know it's like we're going into August, but my birthday is in August, so I still need to get some shorts, and I thought these were super cute. They just have this really cute distressed style, and I think I want to say, is my cheeks out on this? Because I did try these on. They just look like that. So the next thing is that's on top are these jeans. And these jeans are called Little Miss High Rise Distressed Jeans in the color light blue wash. And they just look like this. I love distressed jeans. So cute. On this pants, like, okay, so it is distressed like all the way down, alright. You can see that. It fits so cute. You know, sometimes with Fashion Nova, it's a hit or miss with these jeans. If you buy like the same type of jeans, then you'll probably always get a hit. But some jeans have different materials, and some of these pants have different materials. Because it's a pair of jeans that I have in this order, I do not have to show you because I put them in the bag and giving some clothes away. So they are not in this haul, but I can put up a picture. They are called Emma Super Stretch High Rise Skinny Jeans. Yeah, so they fit all the way on it, but they just can't button, you know, so I'm going on a diet anyway. At the end of the day, that's not the first time where I ordered my size Fashion Nova and like it wasn't working. However, most of their jeans, you know, they're definitely like a hit and they are comfortable and good quality, so that's it. Okay, so the next top I got is this Above and Beyond tank top in the color white. It's just a basic, like a white cami. I got this because I wanted to wear these with some shorts. The shorts I do want to wear with this, I don't think I put it as an outfit yet to see how it looks, but it is in this haul, and since it's just like bright shorts, I figured what will go better than a white t-shirt. So it's just this regular, you know, white cami, tank top if you want. Okay, so the next shirt I got is this Tokyo Fantasy tunic top, and it just looks like this. I actually got this because I wanted to wear this with some sneakers that I got, and I was like looking for, like, you know, like I didn't really know what the look I wanted to do, but I did know, like, I was looking for like the colors that was in the sneakers. So when I seen this shirt, I kind of thought it would be cute. I don't be knowing how my outfits is going to turn out unless I buy like two pieces, like two-piece outfits or something like that, or unless I literally like hit it right on the nail when I order. Like, yeah, I'm just I'm always changing my outfits, so we'll see. The next top is so big. This is Always With You sequin tube top. Basically like a top that I got on now. This is just so gorgeous, like, and this just looks like this is this gorgeous purple blue iridescent, like, ooh, so cute. This bodysuit, this Champagne Club bodysuit in the color orange, this is gorgeous. I would say, like, if you have a long torso, this would definitely work for it because it's long in this part. It's not like where it's the V long, you know how that style is going around too, but I just think it's really cute. Okay, so the next top I got is this front row at the concert top. I was looking at graphic t-shirts. However, this was super cute. It is cropped, so it's not like the other one, but as far as it being graphic, I don't have too many graphic t-shirts. I decided to pick up this one. It has, like, I want to say, it has all these cutouts, all these holes. What does it say on the front? It says Rock 1996 Wild and Free. So if it was 1995, it would have been right on the money. Okay, so the next thing I got to show you guys in this haul are these wild, super bright. This is Walk Away With My Heart denim shorts in the color neon yellow. They are high-waist shorts, so I thought they were super cute. That is what I got, the just the basic white tank top for these four, because I feel like that's just a chilling outfit. That's just a real chill outfit with some shorts. You know, I don't know what I would put on my feet. Maybe some sandals, my leg sandals, I don't know. But however, I just felt like that was super cute. You can definitely dress your outfit up with your accessories. Let me make sure that's everything, because I know it's just the jeans. Wow, I'm totally forgetting something. I'm glad I looked on here. You see, it's good that I checked because I was totally missing something. So this is not the last piece, but this is still one of my favorites. It is this Buenos Aires zebra romper. And my Spanish people, don't come for me. Anyway, it is just this cute, like zebra, but not the color of a zebra. Zebra print, zebra stripe, romper, so cute. So just like, oh my, the material is just so soft. But yeah, it just looks like this. And the last thing I have to show you guys is this dress. Wow. It's this dress called, okay, Francisca mini dress. This is just what this dress looks like. So it got like spaghetti straps right here, and it's ribbed as well. Like the material, it's ribbed, so I thought this was super cute. Okay, you guys, that was all for this haul. If you did come to the end of this video and you are not subscribed to my channel, please definitely subscribe and thumbs this video up. You can also hit that notification bell if your girl is growing on you. Also, definitely thumbs this video up. I'm not going to say it's part 2 because it's actually 2 separate orders. So just thumbs this video up if you want to see another fashion overhaul. Just let me know in the comments. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.